been a long, long time. Okay, I'm not a singer, but I really love this song. It's by Jules Stein, and today you are going to learn how to play It's Been a Long, Long Time on your cello. And the bowing is as such. We have these bits in it where and so it's a bit of a lilt. I know it's supposed to be swung eighths, but I consider it more of a lilt. So, hop, lilt, over, back. And the rhythm, ta-dun, 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 it is a swing. It's swung, so the 8 notes are swung. Up. As it comes. It's as simple as it is, so play with a little bit of a lilt between the string crosses. And to better explain this fingering, let's get into that part right now. We begin this wonderful tune in the first position. My counsel is to have the first finger down and second finger down before you come from the A string. That will add to the clarity of how you play. Moving on to the lower third position. This right here is the end of my first position. These two dots are the beginning of my fourth position. I have a fifth string. Do not be disbalanced by that. Lower third position, your fourth finger, shift up your first finger to where the 4 was on the G string. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. And to add a little bit of schmaltz to this, that's for you, Eddie. We want to schmaltz it up. This next part, I recommend keeping your fourth finger down and your first finger as well extended across 2 strings. So you remain your first finger on the B flat as you go through this. And that will be a natural continuing to the upper second position, orange bracket. Back to the G string, tap your 4, put your second to where the 4 was, and stay there. And that A is right here. We now move to the half position, then lower second, back to half. Shifting, lower second. So lower second is, again, first position, shifting up 1 half step. Remain there. And then shift to your half position. Kitty cat, be quiet. And then we end in the first position. At the end of the piece, it repeats everything except here. I opt to go up to the harmonic A, which is in the, if you put your third finger on F sharp, that will be the end of the 5th position. And you can also play that with the harmonic. Now let's hear it in context, from measure 33 to the end. Cool. Last year, Halloween was about monsters. This year, it's about heroes, the real unsung heroes that are literally saving our lives. So I dedicate this video to all of you out there on the front lines, from our ICU nurses, family in Houston, I see you, to the physicians across the world, to our psychologists putting our brains back together, and everyone else on the front lines, whether you're working in retirement homes or different medical assisted communities. You are our heroes. And this song I discovered via a superhero movie. And even though it has been a long, long time, it feels like it since we have lived a regular life, it is because of you all out there, our unsung heroes in the medical profession. This is my little thank you to you guys, all of you. And that is it. I hope you each have a happy Halloween, from the super geek of cello to wherever you are in the world. Stay safe, stay happy, be blessed because we have music. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time along this wonderful journey of music discovery. Before I go, how could I forget? Thank you, Mr. Ward, for helping me out with the guitar part. That was great. I love collaborations, and if you want to collaborate with me in the future and you play a different instrument, send me a message, send me an email. I would love to collaborate. All right. Bye-bye now.